Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chilltalk English. Today, we have a very useful topic for real life. We will talk about how to start a friendly conversation with English-speaking tourists in your city.
Hi, friends. Yes, maybe you see tourists on the street, in the subway, or near a famous place. You want to say something nice, but your mind goes blank. Today, we fix that.
And don't worry, we will use simple, beginner-friendly English, short sentences, easy words, and you can copy our mini conversations.
Also, we will keep it kind and respectful. Tourists are often tired, confused, or shy, so we will learn how to speak in a gentle way.
Exactly. And I'll be honest, even as an English teacher, I sometimes feel awkward talking to strangers. I think, what if I sound strange?
Henry, you always sound like a calm audiobook. But yes, I understand. Talking to strangers can feel scary, so we'll practice step by step.
Great. Let's start with the first part, how to begin.
Okay, imagine this. You are walking near a famous museum. You hear English, or you see someone holding a map and looking around. You want to speak, but you want to be polite.
So here are some easy openers. An opener is the first sentence you say.
Opener number 1 is very simple. Hi, do you speak English?
That's perfect, clear and polite. You can also add, excuse me, at the start. Excuse me, do you speak English? It sounds friendly.
And if they say yes, you can continue. If they say no, you can smile and say, okay, thank you. Then you stop. Easy.
Opener number 2. Hello, are you visiting? This is a gentle way to ask if they are a tourist.
Or you can say, hi, are you here on vacation? And if you want British English, you can say, are you here on holiday? Same meaning.
I like that. Vacation and holiday. Different word, same idea.
Opener number 3 is good when you hear English nearby. You can say, hi, I heard English. Welcome. That is warm and simple.
Yes, but be careful. Keep your voice soft, not too loud. You want to feel safe, not scary.
True. And here is another one. Hi, is this your first time here? That question is fun because people like to talk about first times.
And it's easy to answer. Yes, it's my first time. Or, no, I came before.
Let's do a short mini dialogue. I'll be the local person. Henry will be the tourist.
Okay, I will do my best acting.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Oh, great. Welcome. Are you visiting our city?
Yes, I'm here for a few days.
Nice. Is it your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm excited. Simple, right? That's already a real conversation. Now, the next situation is very common. Someone looks lost.
Yes, the lost face. The phone is in their hand, the map is open. They turn in circles like a confused penguin.
Poor penguin tourist. So what can you say?
First, you can say, hi, you look a little unsure. Can I help?
That's a great phrase. A little unsure means not sure. It sounds kind.
Another option, are you trying to find something? Very simple.
Or, do you need directions? Directions are the steps to go somewhere. For example, go straight, turn left, it's on your right.
And here is a short one that native speakers use a lot. Need a hand? It means, do you need help? It's friendly and casual.
For beginners, you can also keep it full. Do you need a hand? That is clearer.
Good point. And another useful sentence is, where are you going? It's short but helpful.
Yes, because then you can guide them.
But sometimes tourists say, no, it's okay, and they still look confused. So you can offer one more time, softly.
You can say, no problem. If you want, I can help. That gives them space.
Or, it's okay, I have time. That feels supportive.
But after that, if they still say no, we stop. We respect their answer.
Exactly. Okay, mini dialogue time. I'll be the tourist this time.
Great. I will be the helpful local. I'm ready. Hi there. You look a little unsure. Can I help?
Oh, maybe. Yes, please.
Sure. Do you need directions?
Yes, I'm trying to find the train station.
Okay. Go straight for 2 minutes, then turn right. You'll see a big sign.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Nice. Very natural. Now, after you start and help, you might want to continue talking for a short time.
Yes, a small friendly chat, not too long, just enough to be human.
Here are some easy questions to continue. Number 1. Where are you from?
Classic and simple. And if you want a softer version, you can say, which country are you coming from?
Or, where did you travel from? That sounds like travel, not like identity. Some people prefer that.
Next one, how is your trip going? This means, until now, is it good or not good?
You can also say, are you having a good time? Very simple.
Next, how long are you staying? That's a key travel question.
Yes, I'm staying 3 days. I'm staying 1 week. Good practice for time words.
Another fun question, what places do you want to see? Tourists love this question because they have plans.
And you can also ask, what have you seen already? That's a little more advanced, but still okay at A2.
If you want it easier, you can say, what did you see yesterday? Past tense, but simple.
Good. Also, you can ask, do you like the food here? Food is a safe topic.
And if they look tired, you can say, long day? That is short and friendly.
True, but say it gently.
Now let's do a longer example conversation. Still easy, but a little longer.
I'll start. Hi, are you visiting?
Yes, we are.
Welcome. Is it your first time here?
Yes, first time. We arrived this morning.
Oh, wow, fresh arrival. How is your trip going so far?
It's good, but we are a bit tired.
I understand. How long are you staying?
5 days.
Nice. What places do you want to see?
The old town and the river area.
Great choices.
Okay, now we move to my favorite part, giving recommendations.
Recommendations are suggestions, like you should try this cafe. But we need to be careful. Tourists have different tastes and budgets.
Yes, so we give gentle suggestions, not strong orders. Not you must go, more like if you like this, you might enjoy that.
Perfect phrase. Let's teach that one clearly. If you like blank, you might enjoy blank.
Example, if you like quiet places, you might enjoy the city park.
Another good sentence. A lot of locals go to this place. Tourists often like local spots.
Yes, and you can say, it's not far from here. That helps.
Or, it's cheap, it's free, it's open today. Simple and useful.
Here are a few ready-to-use recommendation lines.
Number 1, do you want a food tip? Simple question.
Number 2, there's a nice cafe near here. Easy.
Number 3, for photos, the best spot is on the bridge. Tourists love photos.
Number 4, if you want something calm, try the library cafe. Ooh, fancy and quiet.
And number 5, if you need a good place to rest, there's a park with benches. Practical.
Also, we can recommend activities, like you can take a boat tour or you can rent a bike.
Just keep the language simple.
Now, very important, when you give a recommendation, you can check their interest with a question.
Like, do you like spicy food? Or do you like museums? Then you recommend.
Exactly. Otherwise, you might say, try this seafood restaurant. And they're like, I'm allergic. Awkward.
Yes, we want to avoid that.
Mini dialogue time. I'll be the tourist couple. Henry is the local.
Hello, are you visiting?
Yes, we are.
Nice. Are you having a good time?
Yes, but we don't know where to eat.
Okay. Do you like local food?
Yes, we want local food.
Great. A lot of locals go to a small place near this street. It's not expensive.
Oh, sounds good. Is it far?
No, it's a 5-minute walk.
Thank you. We will try it.
Enjoy. That felt natural. Now, sometimes you want to warn tourists in a kind way. Not scary, just helpful.
Yes, like small safety tips. For example, be careful with your bag in crowded places. Simple and caring.
Or, this area is safe, but it's busy. That's neutral.
Or, the museum is closed on Mondays. That saves them time.
Great. Helpful information is a kind gift.
Now, let's talk about ending the conversation. Endings are important because you want to leave politely.
Yes, and endings should be short. You don't want to trap someone in a 10-minute goodbye.
Unless it's my aunt. My aunt can say goodbye for 1 hour.
Same in my family. We say goodbye, then we start a new conversation.
Okay, here are easy goodbye phrases.
Phrase 1, nice talking to you.
Phrase 2, enjoy your stay. This means enjoy your time in this city.
Phrase 3, have a great trip, or have a good trip.
Phrase 4, take care. Very common, very simple.
Phrase 5, safe travels. It means travel safely.
And if you gave directions, you can say good luck. Not like an exam, just friendly.
And if you recommended a place, you can say enjoy the food, or enjoy the view.
Now, let's do a full conversation from start to finish. Short, but complete.
Okay.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes.
Great. Are you visiting?
Yes, I'm here on holiday.
Nice. You look a little unsure. Do you need directions?
Yes, please. I want to go to the art museum.
Okay. Go straight, then turn left at the second street. You will see it.
Thank you. Also, is there a good place to eat near there?
Yes. If you like simple local food, you might enjoy a small cafe next to the museum. A lot of locals go there.
That sounds perfect.
Nice talking to you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Safe travels to you too.
Safe travels to you too. I love that. Like we both travel, even if I just go home.
I know. I'll travel to my sofa. A long journey.
Now, before we finish, let's do a quick phrase review with very clear practice sentences. Repeat after us when you listen again.
First, excuse me, do you speak English?
Are you visiting?
Do you need directions?
Where are you trying to go?
How is your trip going?
How long are you staying?
If you like blank, you might enjoy blank.
Nice talking to you. Enjoy your stay.
And that's it. Simple tools, big confidence.
Also, remember you don't need perfect English. Tourists usually feel happy when someone is kind.
Yes, clear and kind beats perfect grammar.
If you want, write a comment and practice with us. Imagine you see a tourist near a famous place. What would you say first?
We would love to read your practice lines, and you can also share one place you recommend in your city.
Thanks for spending time with Chilltalk English today.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.